card is all 8. ¿Cómo estás?
Good. And you?
Muy bien.
You speak Spanish?
No, I speak English.
Just English.
Yeah, and Korean.
And Korean, right?
I just pretend like I can speak Espanol. It's pretty good, right? But
Okay.
let's play a game. Do you like card game?
Okay.
It's not full deck, it's just pick up cards.
Okay, right.
And I brought some same cards, like Queen of Hearts, like this.
Mm-hmm.
And one Eight of Club, and the rest of them is just same, Queen of Hearts. So your mission is to find Eight of Clubs. Can you do it?
Okay.
So find this card, Eight of Club. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
I'll go slow.
Okay.
It's really slow, right?
Okay, right.
I'm trying to help you, right?
Okay, just do it.
Okay. I'll just put the rest of the cards and rest of the queen. I'll just put it inside.
Right.
Where is Eight of Clubs?
In the middle.
In the middle.
Yeah.
I'll give you one more chance to change your mind.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, in the middle.
Okay, I'm sorry. You lost.
No.
Okay, I'll give you one more chance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which number it'll be? The Eight of Clubs.
And the third one.
3.
Yeah.
How?
Yeah. No.
But not even 3. From 1, 2, 3, 4,
What?
5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh my
Card is all
god.
8.
What? I can't believe that. I can't believe that.
Yeah,
Wow. Okay.
So,
Another one.